ladies and gentlemen. That's a pleasure for us to be here and to participate to this great event. Thanks to my predecessor, he made an excellent overview of the evolution of this technology. I've been asked to bring here to speak a little bit about a concrete case of telematics. That's why I prepared a presentation with 200 slides. So, better to start now. Well, telematics. What's telematics? This is the consolidation of telecommunication and informatic data processing, IT. You heard, of course, about the word Internet of Things, machine to machine, all these kind of things. What does it mean, finally? It means that everything will be connected. Whatever you want. Is it for the best? I do not know. But this is the evolution. Everything will be connected. All cars will be connected. So, with this, you'll be able to get additional information. You'll be able to promote, to use new functions. There are a lot of functions. Some of them are, for example, geolocation. Yes, just to know where is your vehicle, of course. Theft, to know when your vehicle has been stolen. Geofencing, when a vehicle is going out of the country and so on. Or trace users. You know, users to just calculate how many miles collaborators doing private or professional way. Statistics, paid. Pay as you drive. This is for the fixed taxes. For a car, you pay fixed taxes. This will stop. You will not keep on moving, paying taxes, not depending on how many miles, how you are driving. And some countries already are studying this. You will, in the future, pay taxes depending how many miles you are doing, and not just a fixed amount a year. So, Echo, Link, and so on. There are possibilities, for example, for the snow. In Switzerland, we have some snow. You do have some snow here, too. We have more and more trouble because of the people get a claim. And they say, well, I broke my leg, he didn't came to salt my street in front of the house and so on. And with telematics, the people can demonstrate, yes, they came to do it, so they can reduce dramatically this. Or transportation of person who is transporting person. But two main functions will concern you deeply. Fleet and UBI, usage-based information. Fleet is more something like improving your services. You have customers, you insurances, you have customers. You may bring to your customers added services, added value to your customers, and they will like it very much. With this, they will be able to manage better their fleet of vehicles, and they will reduce the cost too. But the main one is usage-based information, usage-based insurance. You know, people today won't agree to pay depending what they are doing. They don't want to keep on moving, paying just a yearly fee, a yearly invoice, or a monthly invoice. In Switzerland, we pay the insurance once a year. So once a year, we have a contact with insurances. And this is not nice. I don't like getting my invoice from my insurance. I'd better to get an invitation for coffee or whatever. No, I get once a year contact. This is the invoice. I don't like it. I would prefer to get more information, daily information from my insurance. Why daily? Because I would like to know how much I have to pay daily. Not per year, daily. I would like to know, that depending on some indicators, I drove yesterday much too much, or during a bad time, or I'm braking much too much. What is interesting, we developed a couple of things like this, and once we have some indicators. But the insurance can put a special ratio per indicator. That means that any insurance can tune this service as they want. For example, one insurance can say, you know, I don't care when someone is braking. I will not put too much value of a braking. But I'd like to know when he's driving. In Switzerland, we don't have any place to drive anymore. Between 7 and 9, it's full. My wife is coming from Netherlands. It's even worse. So we are going to start to think about, sometimes it's better not to drive. And people who are not driving during these times will get some discount. This is an example. What people receive. Daily, they can see, oh, yesterday, I got a discount of 20 cents because I didn't drive so much. Or I drove a lot, very sportively, and cost me €1 more. And with this, you are going to put the responsibility on the driver, and they like it. The drivers like to be responsible for what they pay. So with this kind of service, the driver will keep this in mind. Plus, you will have a daily contact. Means you will not give only this kind of information, but you may add some advertisement. You may add some additional information to your customer. Up to now, you don't have any way to be connected to your customer. You will, and you can do it on daily business. He will get information on different way. The benefit between 15 and 25%, this is not something like this. We have the same ratio. This is coming from big insurances who are already using it. This is coming from the Equal European Commission. I'm inside this commission. This is a realistic number. You will be able to stop fraudulent accident info. You know, when someone has an accident, not all the people are on the bad way. A lot of people are positive, but we are all the same. You get an accident. 2 seconds after the accident, you say, I was driving so quickly, I couldn't stop, you know. 1 hour after, you say, well, I was driving rather quickly, but everyone was driving quickly. 2 days after, you are speaking with insurance. Well, I was driving quickly, not so quickly, normally, you know. Finally, you even don't know exactly what happened. What is important for insurance? To get the real fact, to get what happened in the 5 last seconds. And you will see that he was driving normally or much too speedy. So you will get an information, immediate information. As soon as you have an accident, the insurance may get the right information. When you are not good in driving, that's your trouble. Again, you are going to give a responsibility to the driver, to the users, to your customers, and this, they like it. Added value for your customers, there are hundreds of additional value services. Once you have this, there are a lot of things you can bring to your customers, and they will be thankful. Now, this telematics, this is not the future, this is today. It is working today. It is easy to implement today. Don't miss the train. The one who use it, who take it, will be in advance to you. This is actual. This is not tomorrow. This is absolutely actual. It is easy to introduce, easy to develop, easy to use, and I just can advise you, do it. Don't stop. I had 10 minutes to speak about telematics. This was a challenge. I tried to do it, and I thank you for your attention.